welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today, it's part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so this week there is no guest. It is freestyle, and I cannot wait for you to join us today. So I have already decorated my table, so I want to show you, okay, exactly what I did. So this lantern here is part of, not a collaboration, it's part of a video that I did for decorating this fall lantern, okay? And also this centerpiece right there. So this centerpiece was also a different video. I revamped this for a different collaboration. And so let's start over here. So these candles, all of them, okay, are all from the Dollar Tree. This is really pretty. And then this one here, this is so cute. Now some of them at the Dollar Tree came with a candle wax already in them. I do have a tea light in there. I didn't turn that on though, but that's really cute. Okay, then we have the candle holders that came from the Dollar Tree along with that end one over there. And that nice taupe candle came from the plus section. The two black tapered candles also came from the Dollar Tree. And we have this beautiful bird. This one came from Dollar General. That ball was thrifted from the Goodwill. And then, like I said, this was part of decorating a lantern, okay? And I still have a couple of more to decorate. So just before I start letting you know or breaking this down for you, I did want to let you know that next Tuesday we do have a guest, and it is Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and her theme is falling leaves, so you don't want to miss that. Also, we have a fall tour coming up. I would love for you guys to join. So you're going to find all those thumbnails in the community tab. So let's go back to the video. All right. Okay, so here we have the napkin. So this yellow napkin, okay, or the yellow napkins, they came, let's see, so they were thrifted. Okay, and then these ties, guys, I got this at Dollar Tree. They're actually hair ties, and look how beautiful they look. I love them. I love how they look. So then we have this fall plate. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I love it. This was a thrifted item for $1.59, guys. Now, then the plates, oh, it's so hard to pick this up. It's heavy. So this came from Kirkland's, guys. This is gorgeous, this plate, this matte finish plate. This is very trendy right now. So I got those plates from Kirkland's. Now these chargers came from Hobby Lobby. So we did really good there. Also, this mesh placemat came from Hobby Lobby, guys. Now, if we will come over here to the utensils, these I purchased at Aldi's. This was a great buy. And then we have the wine glasses that came from the Dollar Tree. The water glasses came from the Goodwill. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and build this back. So there's the mesh placemat. Here is the charger from Hobby Lobby. Then I had to have these plates, so I got these from Kirkland's. Okay, and then I thrifted these fall plates. So this is perfect for the upcoming holiday, which is Thanksgiving. I'm liking this. I kept it as simple as I could, but I'm glad that the centerpiece is pretty grand. Let me show you from two angles. Okay, isn't that beautiful, guys? I am loving it. Let's take a closer look at the lantern. All right, so I am loving that centerpiece. Everything looks absolutely amazing. So I hope that you like my inspiration. Okay, I'm gonna take you more I'm going to take you over to a reveal so we can get closer to these items. And I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.